Hey, what's going on, guys? It's David, and in this video, I want to show you one quick tip that you could use with your email marketing, especially if you're a beginner, because if you're still trying to figure out how to get more opens, more clicks, more engagement with your subscribers, maybe you have a small list and you really need to kind of get them to respond. So this is going to help you do that. So what you're seeing on the screen right now is a personalized handwritten note, as you can see right there, for Maria. Now, if I'm sending an email to my email list, if I only have, let's say, 10 people on my email list or 20 people, then it's fine. You can handwrite the note and maybe take a picture of it and send it. Still a lot of work, but worth it, right? But how do you do this? How do you send an email that contains an image like this that has the subscriber's first name right on the handwritten note to tens of thousands of subscribers? Because what this type of an image does is it helps you increase, first of all, wow your customers, wow your subscribers, show them that you're paying attention. It shows them that, hey, I'm not just another name on some email list, like he's actually paying attention or she's actually paying attention. And it helps you establish some trust with them, because really all we're doing with email marketing is we're channeling attention. So when you send out an email, you're looking for attention back. You want the person to open it, click it, look at it, be interested, that type of thing. So when you send something like this out, especially if it's your first email to them, like in your first welcome email or the very first thing that kind of goes out, then that's going to score you some points with that subscriber, because it shows them that you're different. You're doing things differently. You're paying attention to them. You care about them. So the way to do this is, and by the way, this is, as you can see, for Maria, but if, let's say, a subscriber by the name of Robert opened it, they will see this. If the subscriber didn't enter their name when they subscribed, then they'll see this. It says hi and welcome, like a generic one. So the way that I do this is I use a software called Magnetic Pix. And I'm going to leave a link for you guys just down below in the video description. And as you can see, what the software does is it's an online web application that you just log into. And I've created this several months ago. I've been testing it for the last few months. And it basically, what it does is it creates dynamic images for you automatically in real time to the subscribers that you're sending them out. Now, this sounds a lot more techy than it really is. And let me actually show you, first of all, the reason I even developed this is because I wanted to show personal attention. I'm in a hyper competitive space. I'm in the affiliate marketing space. There's a lot of people doing affiliate marketing, but I'm still able to capture attention because I don't do things the way everybody else does, and neither should you. So a tool like this can help you do that. And when you personalize and show attention, individual attention to every subscriber, then that's how you become different. So as you can see here, it shows the tool and basically how it works. All you really need is to get an image of you holding a 3x5 card and just kind of, holding it to the camera like this and just take a picture of it. Once you do that, you put that in the software, and it basically, you write your message to where you want the name to show up, and it will dynamically change the name depending on who's receiving it. And that's the cool part of it. So as you can see here, these are all examples of actual notes that I've sent out to my subscribers. Ben, 87 members already joined. What about you? Now, if the subscriber's name is Ben, that's what they'll see. If the subscriber's name is Rebecca, then they'll see Rebecca. 87 members already joined. What about you? And that type of thing. And it basically helped me increase my engagement and open rates to an average of over 20%. And this is to a 40,000 email list of subscribers. So this is how it works. It's the same image that goes out, but depending on who's the subscriber that's receiving it, it will change the name on the image when they open the email. So this is what it's going to help you do. It's going to help you reach your goals faster, because the more attention you get, the more potential clicks you get. More clicks equals potentially more sales. And it's going to help you get like kind of head-shaking results where every customer's experience is going to be top-notch, because they're going to receive something like that from you, and that's going to kind of wow them. And the best thing about it is it takes literally 3 minutes to set it up. and 0 tech skills required. And here's some examples of where you can actually leverage this. If you're sending out webinar invitation emails, hey, Robert, I saved you a seat. Sales messages, David, this promotion ends tomorrow. Welcome messages, booking confirmations, follow-up emails. You literally just create the image once, which I'm going to show you in a second how to do, and you just let it sit in the autoresponder and it just automatically does its thing. Every time somebody opens it, it looks at the name and it displays the name right on the image. So this is perfect if you're an email marketer. This is good for you if you're an e-commerce store owner. If you have an email list in really any niche, if you're sending any type of emails and you want to increase engagement, this would be perfect. Even for affiliate marketing, which is what I do, by the way. It can help you with that. Coaches, you can demonstrate, hey, you should do this, or give them a little tip right on the card itself. Freelancers, or really anyone that has an email list and you want more attention from that email list, this would be good for you because it's going to help you get more love, more reciprocity from your subscribers, which ultimately leads to more sales. So now let's talk about the tech features of it. So you can customize the font. There's multiple fonts available. There's even a computer font available for you e-commerce, drop shippers, all of the physical products type of stuff. You can send out an image. You can just literally upload an image of like an empty box, like a box with an empty shipping label, and customize the name and send that to your subscribers to show them, hey, your package has been shipped. You can customize the color of the text. You can customize the angle of the text, the offset, everything. There's an easy one-click clone feature. And also there's a dashboard that basically shows you where all of your images are and everything. There's multiple plans available. It starts at $15 a month. It goes to $30 a month for even more images. And the biggest plan is currently 100 pictures a month, which is $100 a month. This is for the heavy users. If you use this all the time and stuff, then that's what it's basically for. So let me actually show you the tool inside. So here we are actually inside of the tool itself. You're going to see a welcome tutorial that basically shows you exactly how to create your very first picture. So once you get access to it, make sure you watch this. This is kind of important. And what you're going to want to do then is simply click on create new image. Now I'm not going to go through the entire creation process because I've already created one right here. This is actually the one that you were just seeing when I started the video. And as you can see, I just gave it a title. I uploaded the image right here. And this is the message that you basically put there. So I could put something like, welcome, you're awesome. Something like that. And as soon as I do that and click update, if I go here and refresh this now, and let's just zoom out. Here we go. So as you can see, the text is too long. So if that happens, all you need to do, literally just go in here and you just make the text a little smaller. So we're going to reduce it to maybe like 58, update, and now refresh this. And as you can see, it's perfectly aligned, and this is exactly how it's going to show up every single time. So that's what I wanted to show you in this quick, short video. You can pretty much customize everything that you see here as far as the text goes, like the angle of it, the color of it, the size of the font, the type of font. Everything is customizable inside of the tool. And if you want to see more, just click down below and go check it out. All right, so thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.